Hi everybody, this is Roxy, and Amanda from Your Creative Studio sent me a new subscription kit for her vintage stationery kit. This is for May, and I kind of peeked at it a little bit, but I only went so far. But I was too excited, so I cheated a little tiny bit, and it's really cool. These are so cool. They're Post-it notes that look like burned paper. Old age, isn't that cool? Or like aged, paper. Very cool. Here's her. She does a sticker sheet for everyone, every kit. Really cool. Oh, and there was a thing too. Look for treasure underneath the tissue wrapping paper. I'll do that last. Some washi. This is cool. Oh, I love it. Ready. I'll put that back there. So it's the weekdays and a really cool typewriter typewriter font. That's cool. I'm just gonna unbox it now, and then I'll do a project when my voice comes back a little better than what it is. Here's a little charm. Cool, it's like a scroll. That's really cute. This seems romantic already. Yeah, with their little guitar. Another Post-its. Or a sticky pad. Super cute. An old-time to-do list. Oh, the stamp set's cool. And the paper. Ooh, nice, Amanda. Oh, these are nice. Yeah, I like these. These would be cool to do some coffee staining too, to kind of match this. And a masking tape. Oh, it's similar to the last one, only it's got a cute, like, cloud kind of effect. That's cool. And a stamp. This one I opened up. I like it. It is Non-Art Reality. So that's cute. And, ooh, little wax seals. This will be cool. Oh, cool. Weird, they look just like wax seals. They're little stickers. There's a lot of them. That's cool. Cool. And the stamp set. Let's see if I got... That's really pretty. I love the scrolls. That's cool. Very romantic and vintage. That is really cool. And then the paper. It's good, solid. Or it's not too thin. It's nice. These would be nice for a really cool vintage book. Victrola. I have my grandma's Victrola now. Nobody else in the family wanted it anymore, so I finally got it. Being the youngest, I suppose. So there's the kit, and then whatever's underneath. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, cool, a quill. That's cool. I'll have to pull out some. I don't have any ink, but I have, maybe I do from the old days. But I do have acrylic, liquid acrylic. I wonder if that'd work. That's really cool. It's got a nice weight. Oh, cool. I think you just pull that out to change it. Oh, that'll be fun to try. So I will do all this in an upcoming video. The link down below will guide you to where you can go to subscribe to one of these. I think they're pretty good value. They've got, it's items we won't see here. And she really takes a lot of time to organize them, I think. Very nice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.